Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a door handle on a Toyota Sienna. Start by parking safely, disconnecting the battery, and lowering the window partly to access fasteners. Carefully remove the interior panel with trim tools while keeping screws labeled in a tray. Unbolt the old handle, compare components, and install the new handle, reconnecting linkage and electrical connectors. Test the latch and lock multiple times until operation feels smooth and reliable. Gather these tools before you begin to save time and avoid frustration. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, trim pry tools, a 10 mm socket with ratchet, and needle nose pliers. A magnetic tray helps keep small parts secure, and a flashlight or work light improves visibility inside the door cavity. Consider a replacement clip kit and a torque wrench for precise tightening to factory feel and to prevent overcompression of plastic components. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more quick DIY guides. Quick recommendation: leak-proof meal prep containers make keeping screws and small parts tidy while you work, and they stack neatly in the garage. They seal tight, prevent spills, and double as lunch boxes for long projects. Check the description for the link and other deals. Thank you for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Start by lowering the window partly to access fasteners and to support the glass while you work. Remove screws, clips, and the inner door panel with trim tools and place parts in order. Disconnect the latch linkage and electrical connectors, then unbolt the old handle and compare components for fit. Install the new handle by reversing removal steps, reconnecting links, and testing the mechanism multiple times before sealing the panel back in place.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.